Hello everyone, this is KOMAL, MATHUR, a legal intern at LEXIS and Company and a law student at Manipal University, Jaipur. I'm glad to have this opportunity to intern with LEXIS and Company, which has given me this chance to present in front of you all. So our today's topic, or the purpose of today's video, is to discuss about legal facts about abortion of Indian women. So this video is specifically for the women. So know these 5 facts regarding abortion in India, all the women out there. Abortion is a contentious and a taboo topic in India. Despite of the MTP Act's adoption nearly 50 years ago and the vindication of women's right to abort, although the half-decade-old law is perhaps the most permissive in the world, it is not without flaws. Unfortunately, it has simply served to the women the cold shoulder that they have confronted with the murderous concerns. According to the Abortion Assessment Project, which was one of the most comprehensive Indian abortion studies which ran from 2000 to 2004, 56% of all abortions in India were unsafe. Statistically, 3.6 million of 6.4 million abortions performed each year were unsafe. The deaths caused by these unsafe abortions are accounted for up to 13% of all the maternal deaths in India. As depressing as this may sound, there are provisions in the Act that have assisted women in destigmatizing abortion to some level. If you are not yet aware of how capital L promotes women's right to abortion, you should be aware of the following conditions. First, it is legal. Abortion is legal. Know that abortion is not illegal no matter how many sketchy billboards you have seen that abortion karaye or na karaye. Since 1971, it has unquestionably been legal in India. Abortion became legal in 1971 thanks to the Medical Termination of Pregnancy Act. However, it is only legal to execute up to the 20 weeks after conception, and there are 4 conditions in which the abortions can be performed out legally. The choice to end your pregnancy is totally coincidental and cannot be made voluntarily. A legal abortion can be performed in 4 situations. If a mother's life or physical or mental health is in danger as a result for the pregnancy, if the fetus has any significant defects, if the pregnancy was caused due to contraception failure but only for the married women, or if the pregnancy was caused by sexual assault or rape. Now the second provision which I want to talk about is that you don't get to choose whether or not to abort if only the doctor has the authority. Only the doctor has your authority, remember that. A woman's decision to get abortion is totally up to her doctor's judgment. It is not a right that can be exercised exclusively by women's choice. In addition, if the abortion is performed within the first trimester up to the 12 weeks after conception, the woman only needs the approval of one doctor. But if she goes over the 12-week mark, that is from 12 weeks to 20 weeks, she will require approval of 2 doctors. Third provision which I want to talk about is you don't need your family or husband's permission if you are an adult. Women are frequently requested to obtain their husband's or family's agreement before proceeding to the operating table, especially in countries like ours. But the MTP Act, on the other hand, gives adult women the freedom to decide their own decision, and only the mother's consent can be sought by a doctor, which is very enough. So last and final provision which I want to talk about and which is very important is that abortion is covered under the right to privacy. Yes, this is correct. A woman's freedom of choice whether to bear a child or abort her pregnancy are issues which lies within the realm of her privacy. Supreme Court of India declared this in a landmark decision. So that's it for today. Thank you everyone. Have a nice day.